In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear app cache on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is open the settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Keep in mind, according to the Android phone that you're using, the settings options might vary, but what you have to do is find the option for storage and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. Tap on this option apps that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be led to the app storage interface. You'll be able to see all of the application installed on your device over here. So simply tap on the application of whose you want to clear the cache. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface of that particular app. What you have to do is tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the cache of this particular application will be cleared. If you want to clear the cache of all the application, follow the same process for all the apps. After you do that, the cache of all the applications will be cleared. So like this, you'll be able to clear the app cache. So that is how you clear app cache on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.